If you are looking for fast, all-natural acne cures, well, you have come to the right place. I mean, acne breakouts, we want them gone fast, and acne products are super expensive and they don't work for everyone. So what about the natural acne cures that we see all over YouTube and everywhere else? Do they really work? Well, if you want to know if this particular cure of apple cider vinegar works, then keep on watching. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Chris Gibson, and this is Chris Gibson Live, where we help you look good, feel good, and live good. And again, if you're new, take a second and subscribe if you want, and hit the little notification bell so that you know when I have new videos up, because you're going to want to search this channel for all sorts of information on clear skin and skincare, because I have tons of videos out there for you, and I'd love for you to check them out. Okay, so one of the questions that I routinely get is, does apple cider vinegar really cure acne? And the quick answer is no, because nothing really cures acne usually on its own. Acne is a blend of triggers that causes inflammation and breakouts. So, and we'll talk about that in a second. But in and of itself, no, it won't cure your acne, but for many, many people, apple cider vinegar actually makes a big difference, and here's why. Apple cider vinegar has compounds in it that are antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral, which means that it kills bacteria when you apply it to the skin, and it interrupts infections. And we know that acne breakouts happen because of acne bacteria that's down in a pore that gets to growing, and the immune system goes, wait, that's an infection, and it kicks in, and then you have inflammation, a bump, and a pimple. That is the mechanism for acne. Well, apple cider vinegar, because it changes the pH of your skin, it eliminates a lot of that bacteria, actually kills it when you apply it, and it slows the regrowth of the bacteria that's on your skin, so it doesn't come back as fast. So because it does those things, it can interrupt and make a big, big difference in a lot of people's breakouts. That makes total sense. It also has the benefit of AHAs, hence apple cider vinegar. Apple is an AHA producing fruit. That's fruit sugars and acids that help exfoliate your skin. So that's another great benefit of the apple cider vinegar, is that it's going to help speed up exfoliation. It's going to keep pores less blocked or unblocked for a longer period of time. And there again, it's going to help reduce breakouts. And those of you who know me know I preach exfoliation, exfoliation, exfoliation. Super, super important. It is perhaps the most important step in any skincare routine. I don't care whether you have acne or not. So it's definitely the thing that I always preach. Okay, I said I wasn't gonna preach in this video, so I'm not gonna preach. Just do the exfoliation. Now, you probably don't wanna just dab the vinegar straight to your face, because it's very acidic and it's very strong. And so if you do that, any breakouts that you do have, it's going to burn and make them more inflamed. And it's the exact opposite of what we're trying to accomplish here. So what we want to do is make a tonic of sorts with the apple cider vinegar, and it's super easy. It's simply 1/2 a cup of apple cider vinegar to 1/2 a cup of distilled or filtered water. We're going to mix that together. You can keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator in a dark place for a couple of days. It will work. Personally, I would make fresh. It's very inexpensive, apple cider vinegar is. So you can make it fresh every day, but if you don't want to do that, go ahead and make it and put it in an airtight container. Again, day or so, then you're gonna start over with it. You simply wanna dab this on the skin with a cotton ball or a skincare sponge, and just lightly wet the skin and let it air dry. You wanna do this a couple times a day. It's better first thing in the morning, and it's also great to do right before you retire or use your other products on your skin. So use it first. So therefore, it'll go in like a tonic and kill any bacteria. It will help reduce inflammation and any future breakouts. So if apple cider vinegar toner is going to work for you, then you're gonna know within 2 or 3 days. And if it's not working, throw it out. Don't keep doing it. Just, we'll move on to something else. And that said, I'm gonna put a couple of videos up right over here that have some super great tips on how to stop acne in its tracks really, really fast. So do me a big favor and hit that little notification bell, and join me over on the next one.